Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Raw Shoplifters After They Steal Over $1,000 in Merchandise.
On September 11th, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with 2 occupants suspected of retail theft.
How's it going today? Is your car off? Yeah. Let me get both your license. You guys are both positively ID'd for retail theft. I'm just gonna be straight up, man. Just give me the items back. Give me your ID first. Your ID too. Is there anything else in the car? Any weapons, drugs, anything like that? Nothing. Do you have a valid driver's license?
Opposed to take getting the stuff situated.
Okay. So is it suspended, revoked?
Yeah, it's suspended.
Okay. Can you just put your bag back there, please? You guys aren't free to go. Hang tight. Sir, step out of the vehicle for me.
He's going to go in first.
We're just going behind here. I don't want us in the road. Put your hands behind your back. You're being detained right now, okay? Yeah, step towards me.
Here, I'm gonna just detain you, okay? Just turn around for me, please. Put your hands behind your back. Separate
Why
your
is
feet.
Baker keep fucking blocking people?
Do you have anything on me that's gonna stick me or poke me or hurt me? No.
Northbound 1407, we're going to 2 detain for investigation.
Just separate your feet for me. I'm just gonna do nothing on you.
1407 10-4 to detain.
Nothing. That was issue.
No worries.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure you don't have anything on you. That was your phone, correct?
Did you get the merchandise?
No, yeah. I was just waiting to get back before I do anything else. Do you have a work phone on you?
Yes.
For pictures?
Here. Take one of you, please. Just look at the camera for me, please. Okay.
Where are the items at, man?
It's in the back seat.
Look at me. Did you use a theft detection device or anything? You just get the items?
401. Did you have a unit at the store?
Okay. So they don't want you guys arrested, but we're going to issue you guys Rosemont citations. It's technically like a parking ticket, but that's the route we're going to go, just so you know what's going on, all right?
In terms of searching the car, I mean...
What?
In terms of searching the car for this stuff.
Yeah, so we'll grab the items.
I'll just take this stuff now.
Yeah.
You said you could go in and get it. You just return them, get who you return them to.
I'm taking this. I mean,
Sorrow them and
Yeah.
we're done.
yeah. In terms of the car, that's... We could either have it towed or put it in the cherry slot, but...
You want to get pictures of the stuff in there, too?
Absolutely. I'll do it,
Oh, yeah, do it in the store.
yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
How much stuff is it? Oh. Jesus Christ. Yeah, can we, dude, this is Bath and Body Works, bro. No? Oh, no. Jesus.
Take it in there.
Yeah.
With hers and then seize the car.
Yeah.
Seize the car.
Okay. All right, I'll be right back. Tell me.
Damage anything? Because you guys went through that new felony shit, so fuck it at this point. If they damage stuff with the magnets, anything over 500 CDP is felony, and then especially
But they don't want to sign.
They don't want to sign.
Can't do that.
Hello. Can I please talk to the manager or Noelia? Or...
Yeah, I'm here.
Alrighty, so we were able to grab all the stuff.
Yay.
We got them on a traffic stop, so.
Okay.
It's a lot of stuff.
Yes. That was literally within the 2 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
There's another bag, by the way. So, where do you want to do this? You want to do this right here, or because I gotta?
Up to the office.
All right, cool. Yeah, that was gonna be my question. Is this is a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
All right, before we get into it, right? They're obviously the cops want to arrest them. But so I feel like now, you know, the store has already made up their mind that they don't want to prosecute. But I feel like now maybe the officer is going to put a little pressure on them to like, hey, you know, this is a big amount. You know, she already kind of started to say it before I paused it. But honestly, I'm surprised that they don't want to move forward and prosecute. We don't really see that often, you know, honestly. Yeah, nothing. If that ends up, you know, staying true, man, they made out lucky. These guys are lucky. But either way, I think I overheard the cops say something about the car getting towed or whatever, because maybe you know, they whatever, the something's not right with the paperwork on the car or something like that. But man, if they don't get prosecuted, boy, he better be thanking the lucky stars. Just thank the lucky stars, because you deserve to go to jail.
And then we were told through our dispatch that you guys didn't want to sign. Is that something that you
No,
decided?
I
Do you call
nervous. Yeah, I was the one that called. It was like literally, it happened.
Where should I go?
Over here.
Okay. Is there a way I could like lay all this out and take a picture?
Let me get.
And then-
if you want the table over here.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna need like a receipt for everything.
Yeah.
So you said you were scared. You didn't. Like,
Yeah,
you
it
just said
happened fast. I was in my
Okay.
lunch, and I was like, oh my god, I don't want to think anything bad. Like, I don't want to just like call the cops. So I saw, like, I was looking at the cameras.
Okay.
And I saw he took out a magnet, and I'm like, okay. And I'm like, hopefully he doesn't open it. And then after I saw when he was opening everything, I'm like, yeah.
Okay, so these all have magnets.
No, not all of them.
Okay. Maybe show me what does. And you saw them use a magnet.
Yes. This is actually not from our store. This looks like from Target. Yeah.
I think this is Bath and Body Works.
Yes, Bath
Yeah.
and Body. Yeah, that's Bath and Body.
Okay.
That's not enough, but this is from us.
Okay.
This is for us. This is the one that had a magnet. That has like the keeper.
Okay.
This doesn't.
So my next question, since because you just said like, you know, you were scared, you're on your lunch, and like everything was happening so quickly. Do you want to sign complaints against them? Like, they took a bunch of guys' stuff. They used a magnet device. Like, we have them right now, like in handcuffs, detained.
Put that pressure on them.
One of my guys to let them know that they utilized a magnet,
Yeah, let me call
because
my
they
boss.
told us they didn't, and it
Yeah,
helps
he did
that.
have one. Because I can show you in the camera too if you want to see.
Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah.
Yeah, that's Bath and Body Works for sure. They stuff be smelling so good and lasts a super long time. They stuff expensive though.
We have a lot of that fiber products. It was a male black and a female black. The male black wearing a green jacket and a
So, yes and yes, right?
Call any suspicious today, someone mentioning that description. About 50 to 60 items from Bath and Body Works.
They laying it out like this was just a drug bust, boy.
Are you guys want to prosecute? Okay, or can I talk to them?
All right, so next we're gonna need all this stuff.
Like, add it up?
Add it up, yeah. So let's
See, now the other officers talking to the people on the phone. You sure you don't want to prosecute? Look, they gonna put that pressure on them, boy. Hey, y'all gonna prosecute today. You may not want to, but you gonna prosecute, okay?
I can look at a shopping cart. We can just take it all from
Yes.
scan it.
I got it, Kyle. I got it. Kyle, I got it. Is that more Bath and Body Works?
Yeah, I think it was more of a couple.
Whatever Jeff, but this is a stronger. So we recovered two people's operating at Ross. So Ross, they just in the multiple stores left. We recovered about 50 to 60 items from Bath and Body Works. From you, I don't know if it's from your store specifically, but does Bath and Body Works sign complaints for theft?
Okay, I'll go get that card. And then just you tell me exactly,
Okay,
like what you
so
saw exactly.
I had just come in for my shift. Was chit-chatting with everybody, and
What time did you start?
I started at 6:15.
Awesome. Go ahead.
So went to go punch in, and it said I was too early. So I got here like 10 minutes.
Okay.
16. So I was like, okay. I told Vanya, I was like, let me go put my bag away, and then by the time I get back, I'll be ready to punch in.
Okay.
So I originally was gonna go through the queue line to go to the bag to put my bag away, but there was customers, so I doubled back and I came back towards the fragrances.
Okay.
And as I was walking toward the fragrances, the young lady, like, she made eye contact with me, but she looked really like suspicious.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, didn't think anything of it, but I don't know if she knew that I worked here because I had my work bag.
Okay.
So as I'm going through the I went past the jewelry counter over by the men's fragrances. She's in between the fragrances, between the men's side and the women's side.
Okay.
And she hand the guy a container.
Okay.
And he put it in the bag.
Got it.
I was like, oh, okay. So didn't think anything of it, but I ran to the back, and I was looking for Noelle or Emilio to let them know. I was like, hey, check the cameras. But by the time I got back there, she had already witnessed it.
Got it.
So
Noelle.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was like, oh, okay. She's like, yeah, I'm gonna call the cops. I was like, yeah, call the cops. 'Cause
Okay.
They don't care. And so that was it.
Okay.
Both individuals were charged with felony retail theft and possession of an anti-theft device. Thanks for watching today's video. If you
Yeah, that anti-theft device, that's really what be getting them too. Like if that's why they always try to ask them, you know, did you just take it, or are you using a tool to undo the sensors that some of the clothes be having on them or whatever. He talking about when they got arrested, he talking about, no, we just took the clothes. Yeah, you gonna say that because if they find that tool, your ass is grass, boy. That's a big deal too. That using them tools. But anyway, people crashing out over clothes and Bath and Body Works. Like, come on, like, really? Don't get me wrong, they expensive. So you could probably flip them for a nice piece of some nice bread, but that ain't worth no felony, man. That is not worth no. Come on, man. None of that stuff is worth it, honestly. But yeah, they got charged. I told you they were gonna put that pressure. Somebody was gonna get charged with something. Okay. You know, when the cops keep you know what's crazy? I know what word I want to say, but I can't say it. Irradiate? Nah, wait. Keep irradiate. yo, Yo, when the word when somebody keep trying to keep saying it over and over. Oh my God. Like, yeah. Listen, you gotta be able to laugh at yourself sometimes. Shit, it is what it is, man. But anyway, it really ain't. It really ain't. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm tired. Oh, my brain is fried. You hear me? You're probably looking at me like this dude is cooked. Anyway, but yeah, when they keep telling the loss prevention or whoever it is that worked there, you sure you don't want to prosecute? You sure you don't want to sign the paper? Yada yada. Man, you gonna sign that motherfucking paper. Okay? You may not think you want to, but you gonna sign that motherfucker. You hear me? Anyway, cops did a pretty good job, man. 5 out of 5. No, 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.